Keeping a close eye on your forecast, but how are things shaping up heading into the holiday weekend? Well, the heat is here to stay, but some rain on the way. Of all the details you need to know coming up.
Joe Emer, an exciting Friday too, because we're heading into the 4th of July next Tuesday. I know a lot of folks out there have taken Monday off to make it an extra long weekend, so we made it. We're finally here.
I know. Meteorologist Jennifer Lambers is here with pretty much everywhere except for northern Georgia. We still have high pressure in place, so that's going to be influencing the forecast, but that extends from Texas really to Florida, so the entire southeast is beginning to see these clear conditions, but also these hot conditions. We will start to see some changes, however, heading into midweek next week. Now, as you do look in just a little bit closer, seeing more of that sunshine, very minimal cloud cover, if any, out there, but do keep in mind we still have our heat alerts in effect. Heat advisories in place for the majority of the Foxton viewing area. That's going to be that orange coloration. What this means is that heat indices could get up to that 105 to 110 degree range. And then as you head further out west, excessive heat warnings in place. 110, 115 is that criteria for those warnings. But the good news is that we're slowly starting to see some of those areas be shaved out of those warnings. Also, our coastal areas completely left out of everything there. And so that's going to be a good sign of what's to come heading later on into next week. Now, taking a look at temperatures out there, currently a range of the 90s, 94 in Pensacola, 93 in Mobile, and already 95 down in Destin along with Gulf Shores. But the feels like temperatures feeling like 105 in Gulf Shores, feeling like 100 in Pensacola, and then feeling like 98 in downtown and closer towards Mobile Regional. It's warm out there, so just make sure that you're being cautious, limit your time outside, take plenty of breaks as well, and also make sure you're limiting time outside for your pets and your kids. Now, over the next couple of hours, feels like temperature is going to be soaring into the triple digits, expected to stay that way even later on to this evening. By 8 and even 9 o'clock for any Friday night plans, temperature is going to be feeling like the lower to mid 90s. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about what you can expect heading into this weekend at Check on the Tropics, plus also your Futurecast. All of that's coming up soon. Joe. And also keeping a close eye on your forecast, taking a live look at conditions out there right
Jen?
Yeah.
You're next.
How do you feel about the muffin?
I think it's good. I'm happy that it turned out well.
Yeah, I know.
A lot of pumpkin stories here on Studio 10
I know.
the past few days.
In July now, almost.
I know. That's why it felt weird using pumpkin yesterday. The store shelves were full of it when I bought it for those cookies that I made yesterday that don't taste like pumpkin.
That recipe is online, by the way, if you want to try it. Really good cookies.
Go check it out for some patriotic cookies. Well, going ahead, taking a live look outside right now, what we're starting to see nice conditions. Yeah.
You're next.
How do you feel about the muffin?
I think it's good. I'm happy that it turned out well.
Yeah, I know.
A lot of pumpkin stories here on Studio 10
I know.
the past few days.
In July now, almost.
I know. That's why it felt weird using pumpkin yesterday. The store shelves were full of it when I bought it for those cookies that I made yesterday that don't taste like pumpkin.
That recipe is online, by the way, if you want to try it. Really good cookies.
Go check it out for some patriotic cookies. Well, going ahead, taking a live look outside right now, what we're starting to see nice conditions.
A sweet story. Yeah, there's another Fox 10 in Phoenix, Arizona.
All right, so for our Fox 10 viewing area here, Jen, we're still looking at hot weather.
That's exactly right. Day July 4th forecast, but right now mainly afternoon rain chances.
Yes, well, be careful this weekend. We hope